Right, finally, question 5. A man walking a plank, and we've got, it wants you to basically, first of all, draw a copy, the 4 forces that act on the plank. So there we go, there's me log, there's the chap on the plank, there's me load. Now, it is a 3-mark question, and I do remember this, the answers to this one, the actual, what the mark scheme is for this one. So, it's 1 mark for getting this one and this one right. So these two together, drawing this force and drawing this force vertically acting downwards, is 1 of the marks. Recognising the weight of the beam acts in the middle, that's the 2nd mark, and recognising there's a reaction force up is the 3rd of those 3 marks. Part B says, by taking moments, calculate the load in newtons. Well, we do the same thing every time. We write clockwise, we write anti-clockwise. We then put in the anti-clockwise force, which is due to the beam. Okay, so that's 25 times by 9.81, that's the weight of it. And it's acting, if you were, it says it's a 3-meter beam altogether. So this distance here must be 1.0 meters. So we do that. And then we add that to the weight, W, times by this distance here. Now, of course, it's a 3-meter beam, so this altogether is 2.5. And the anti-clockwise is, of course, the chap on the beam, 65 times by 9.81 times by 0.5, the distance there. So once you've done that, it's pretty straightforward, really. You just solve through for this. We find that W is going to be this lot minus this lot divided by 2.5. And it comes out to 29 newtons. Now, the final bit I haven't done, I didn't even look at it. So explain why the load will eventually touch the ground as the student walks towards the log. What we would say is the student's moment will decrease, okay, because of the student's moment will decrease, the plank or the log or the plank will move out of equilibrium. There's your 2nd mark. So it's no longer going to be in equilibrium. The load will have a greater moment than the student, and therefore it will move down. So there's 2 marks for that. Right, hopefully that is of some use to you.